These little frogs just love having tea together, but they don't have a cozy home yet. How about we build one for them?
Yay!
The frogs can't wait to move into their new home. Look at this wonderful little house we'll build for them. Bright, cozy, and full of tiny secrets. And in this house, there's a place for the little snail, too. Now let's build the little house together, step by step.
Snip, 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 the scissors go. Fold and glue, we take it slow. Piece by piece, the house will rise. A cozy home before our eyes. Hop, 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 the frogs will cheer. Look, our little home is here. Bright and warm, a dream come true. Full of secrets just for you. Snail will crawl and take her place, smiling with her tiny face. Frogs will dance and laugh all day. In their house they love to stay. Hop, 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 the frogs will cheer. Life is cozy, safe and clear. In this home they'll sing and play. Happy friends in every way. Step by step, the magic's near. Cut and fold with love and cheer. Now the frogs can rest inside. Cozy, happy, side by side. Froggy, froggy, pour the tea. Snail is giggling full of glee. Cookies, cakes, and laughter too. Happy moments just for you. Sip, sip, sip Froggy, froggy, hop, hop, hop. Snippy, snip, we cut and stop. Glue it here and fold just so. Step by step the house will grow. La la la, we cut and play, building magic all the way. Frogs and snail will shout hooray in their cozy home today.
Look how happy the frogs are with their new home. Now they want to sleep.